Hi there. Molly and I are having fun under the...
I'm a firing my laser!
Right, Molly? See, this is what I'm doing. But under the blanket, it sounds really funny. Oh, it's okay. We're just being
stupid.
And it sounds rude, too. What a hoot, right, Molly? Molly? Molly, that's really rude. Oh. Now, Molly, there is a limit, you know. And I just have one thing to say to you.
You're grounded. It will be no Chuck E. Cheese, no TV, no movies, no video games, no life, and more.
Wait, Molly, stop. We have to stop making rude sounds, or there won't be time left to make rude